One of the famous topic which has been discussed over a dinner table, was Islam spread by the sword? Let me give you 10 points to clarify this concept. According to the Quran, Surah number 2, verse number 256, Allah says, there is no compulsion in religion. We cannot force anybody to accept Islam. Thus, no one can be forced to become a Muslim. While it is true that many places where Muslim armies went to liberate people or the land, they did carry the sword, as that was the weapon used at that time. However, Islam did not spread by sword, because in many places where there are Muslims now in the Far East, like Indonesia, in China, and many parts of Africa, there are no records of any Muslim armies going there. But there are millions of Muslims are living today. To say that Islam was spread by the sword would be to say that the Christianity was spread by the gun, or spread by F-16, or spread by atomic bombs, which is not true either. Christianity is spread by the missionary work of the Christians. 10% of all Arabs are Christian. The sword of Islam could not convert all the non-Muslim minorities in Muslim countries. In India, where Muslim rule more than 700 years, there are still in minority. Finally, in North America, Islam is the fastest growing religion and has more than 6 million followers without any sword around. Thank you.